for the big story. At around 8 o'clock this morning, rescuers recovered the body of another male victim from the collapsed building in Angeles, Pampanga, raising the death toll to 5. Tropical storm Doming continues to move closer to the country as pag-asa of possible heavy rains and flooding several areas. Jesus Escudero denies any involvement in the flood control issue.
Vehicle nito na nagkakaumanong looban at
Good afternoon, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I'm Daniel Sarmento.
And I'm Angel Embersamin. This is
The Big News.
At around 8 o'clock this morning, rescuers recovered the body of another male victim from the collapsed building in Angeles City.
Raising the death toll in tragedy. Prince Joseph and Bersamin representing the Hasbig story.
According to the authorities, one of the canine dogs suddenly stopped and signaled responder in a section covered with heavy debris. Canine unit dogs detected a possible location of trapped victims in the collapsed building in Angeles City, Pampanga during ongoing search and retrieval operations.
Detect po yung canine dog na isang human body.
Hindi siya ganon kadali kasi napapailalim pa siya ng malalaking debris. Meron pa tayong mga ginamit na shoring na ginawa para maging stable yung paglalabasan sa kanya. Kapag nailabas po sila ng ating mga bumbero doon sa collapse sites, ay ita-turn over po namin sila sa ating mga taga-DOH para alamin po ang pagkakakilanlan bago po ito tuluyang dalhin sa nearest na punerarya.
At around 8 o'clock this morning, rescuer recovered the body of a man from the collapsed building in Angeles City, Pampanga. Fatality in the tragedy. According to the local government unit, mobile phone recovered by authorities are helping identify the victims found beneath the rubble. Meanwhile, search and rescue operations have resumed after Interior Secretary John B. Cormulla ordered authorities to continue full rescue efforts during his visit to Ground Zero yesterday.
There have been instances kasi na 2 weeks after nahanap pa rin, katulad sa nangyayari sa Baguio. So for me, I would rather consider it a search and rescue.
Officials say there is still a possibility that survivors
Habang patuloy tayong nagtatanggal ng mga debris ay kasabay po ang pag-recover natin ng mga katawan ng biktima. We are not losing hope na yun nga po sana ay magkaroon talaga ng miracle na mayroon pa tayong ma-retrieve na mayroon tayong matagpuan na buhay na biktima.
Officials say there is still a possibility that survivors may be rescued among the estimated 16 individuals believed to be trapped inside the collapsed structure.
Yung sa Pina, and may pupunta hold orders airport para mag-report sila.
Officials says there is still a possibility that survivors may be rescued among the estimated 16 individuals.
Nagkaroon ng tulugan doon sa construction site mismo. Dapat may barracks. Pangalawa, hindi dapat kasama yung pamilya. Ang sinabi sa akin ni Mayor, meron daw ibang report na may kasamang pamilya sa loob. Hindi kasama dapat yon.
Based on the latest report from authorities, around 15 individuals are still missing beneath the debris. Heinrich Joseph Bersamin, News Freedom, Test, and Trusted for the BCN MCTVM Bulletin.
Authorities warned the public after household helper was arrested for allegedly taking over 2 million pesos in cash and giving it to another person. Sian and Bersamin, the presenting, has the big story.
Authorities are reminding the public not to become victims of debt and deception after a household helper was arrested for allegedly taking more than 2 million pesos in cash and handing it over to another person. According to investigator, the suspects reportedly the trash of the employer before carrying out the crime inside the residence.
Base sa investigasyon namin, pinasok niya yung kwarto ng kanyang amo. Dinistrangkan niya yung mga drawers kung saan doon niya kinuha yung mga pera at alahas. Pinipigilan siya na huwag gawin yun at ang ginawa niya, nag-lock siya ng pinto hanggang sa yung isang kasambahay niya bumalik muna sa kwarto nila na lingid sa kanya, lumabas pala itong suspect, nadala na yung mga alahas at naibigay na doon sa lalaking nag-aantay sa labas ng subdivision.
Police immediately launched an operating that led to the arrest of the household helper. Authorities are now advising families to carefully verify the background and identification of household worker to avoid similar incidents.
Investigasyon namin, inilagay niya ito sa isang plastic bag at kinubera niya ito ng mga pagkain. Ang sabi niya, para kung sakaling masita siya ng mga gwardya, hindi mapansin yung mga alahas na dala niya, tsaka yung pera. 2016, doon na siya nagtatrabaho, pero pabalik-balik siya. May mga 2 taon, aalis siya, tapos babalik din siya the following year, hanggang sa kasalukuyan. Itong huling bumalik siya noong 2025.
Meanwhile, search of qualified that are now being prepared against the suspect.
Base sa utos lang po doon sa cellphone na kausap ko po kay ma'am.
Sino po yun?
Yung boses po ni ma'am.
Ano sinasabi niya?
Na punta ako sa kwarto niya, kunin ko daw yung mga alahas niya doon.
I'm Sian and Bersamin. News Freedom. Test and trusted for the BCM and CTVM Bulletin News.